Hi, Yule, Kansas home guys. Well, what we've got a house here that's sagging a little bit, so we want to be able to jack the house just in this particular room here. It's kind of been settling in a spot that's affecting a couple of the other rooms adjacent to it. So we just down here, I don't know if you can see, and I'll get a close-up shot of it in a little bit. But we just poured some concrete, put some 2x6s, and then poured concrete in between the two. And what that's going to do is that's going to allow us to do some jacking on top of a more stable ground. Obviously, you try to do that over dirt, then your jackster is going to sink into the dirt. So we put in the concrete there so we can start jacking and put some bracing in there so that way the house gets more stable to prevent any more settling.